Many young people commit these four financial mistakes in their 20s. Isa ka ba sa kanila? Let's find out. First, overspending on food. Alam mo, okay lang naman na kumain ng masarap at mag-enjoy talaga from time to time. Pero wag lang tayong susobra. Mas okay if meron kang budget na isa-set aside para sa mga pagkain na gusto mong kainin. Second, buying things you don't need. Kahit naka-sale pa yan. Trust me, sure ako hindi mo magagamit yung bagay na yan. Mapapagastos ka lang. Third, buying a car if you don't absolutely need it yet. Maraming gastos ang kasama sa pagkakaroon ng sariling sasakyan. Baka hindi ka pa ready dyan. And lastly, pang-apat natin, investing in real estate prematurely. Meaning kapag hindi pa tayo ready. It is a long-term and expensive financial commitment. Don't get one if nape-pressure ka lang because most of your friends have one. After sharing these four things, isa ka ba sa kanila? Maybe now is the time for you to think about your financial decisions. If you like this content, follow for more.